Your digestive system works non-stop to break down food and extract the nutrients your body needs to survive, from the first bite to the last phase of waste removal. Everything you eat is broken down, absorbed, and converted into energy by this complex system, which is made up of several organs and chemical interactions. Your body couldn't survive without it, much less flourish. Let's explore the amazing process of digestion and learn how your body converts food into energy. 1. Ingestion. The initial digestion step. The intricate process of breaking down food so that nutrients can be absorbed starts with ingestion. Food is mechanically broken up into tiny bits by the teeth as it enters the mouth, increasing the surface area available for enzymatic activity. The salivary glands secrete saliva, which is essential for chemical digestion because it releases the enzyme amylase, which begins the breakdown of carbohydrates into simpler sugars. This improves food's flavor and texture in addition to helping with digestion. Saliva and chewed food are combined by the tongue to create a bolus, which is a soft, easily swallowed mass. When the bolus is ready, the tongue forces it into the pharynx, which is the passageway that connects the mouth and the esophagus, and toward the back of the mouth. This ensures that food passes through the digestive tract effectively by triggering the swallowing reflex. Ingestion is the body's initial process of obtaining vital nutrients to maintain life and energy, and it goes beyond simply eating. 2. Propulsion. Food transit via the digestive system. Propulsion, or the movement of food through the digestive tract, is the next important stage of digestion after intake. A sophisticated reaction makes sure the bolus is safely ingested and guided into the esophagus as it approaches the throat, avoiding entry into the windpipe. Maintaining a clean airway while pushing food toward the stomach requires fine muscle coordination. Peristalsis, a wave-like, repetitive contraction of muscles, is what drives the bolus down the esophagus, a muscular tube. Regardless of body position, this automatic procedure guarantees that food reaches the stomach. As a gatekeeper at the base of the esophagus, the lower esophageal sphincter opens to let food into the stomach and closes to stop acid reflux. In order to ensure that nutrients continue their journey through the digestive system uninterrupted, food must travel smoothly and efficiently. The quiet but potent energy that maintains a smooth operation of digestion is called propulsion. 3. Stomach digestion, further food breakdown. A strong, muscular organ, the stomach is essential for digestion. It releases digestive fluids, such as pepsine and hydrochloric acid, which combine to break down proteins into smaller pieces. In addition to facilitating digestion, the extremely acidic environment eliminates dangerous microorganisms, shielding the body from possible diseases. Beyond its chemical function, food is continuously compressed and churned by the stomach's robust muscular walls, which guarantees that it is well combined with digesting enzymes. Chyme, a thick, semi-liquid material that is easier for the intestines to digest, is created when food undergoes this process. The stomach lining creates mucus as a barrier against its own corrosive acids to stop self-digestion. It's interesting to note that some chemicals, including alcohol and some drugs, slip through the stomach wall without undergoing complete digestion and enter the bloodstream. This essential organ protects the body from dangerous invaders and acts as a dynamic processing center, preparing nutrients for absorption. The small intestine, the main location for absorption and digestion. The true magic of digestion takes place in the small intestine. Chyme passes through this lengthy, coiled organ after exiting the stomach, where it is broken down and taken into the bloodstream. The pancreas, liver, and gallbladder are a formidable team of digestive assistants that enable this. Enzymes such as lipase for fats, proteases for proteins, and amylase for carbohydrates are released by the pancreas. Bile is created by the liver and kept in the gallbladder before being released to aid in the breakdown of lipids. The small intestine, which is separated into 3 portions, has a specific function in digestion. The ileum receives vitamin B12 and bile salts. The jejunum absorbs vital nutrients like carbohydrates and amino acids, and the duodenum manages the majority of chemical digestion. Millions of microscopic villi and microvilli line the inner walls, significantly increasing surface area and guaranteeing that all remaining nutrients are effectively absorbed before waste enters the big intestine. 5. Large intestine, absorption of water and production of waste. As the last stage of digestion, the large intestine makes sure the body receives as much water and vital nutrients as it can before waste are expelled. Water and electrolytes are drawn out as undigested food passes through this organ, avoiding dehydration and preserving a proper fluid balance. However, the large intestine is home to trillions of helpful gut bacteria in addition to its ability to absorb water. In order to produce vital vitamins like vitamin K and biotin, which support blood coagulation and metabolism, these microorganisms aid in the breakdown of dietary fiber and the fermentation of undigested carbohydrates. Additionally, this fermentation process supports immunological and gastrointestinal health. The residual material turns into feces as the water is reabsorbed. This waste is held in the colon until it is time to be released. Hydration and fiber consumption are critical for proper operation, since a healthy large intestine not only facilitates digestion, but also plays a critical role in general well-being. 6th, elimination. Clearing the body of waste. Elimination, the body's last stage of food digestion, brings the digestive process to a close. The residual waste enters the rectum after nutrients are absorbed, where it is held until the body is ready to expel it. Both voluntary and involuntary muscles make up the anal sphincters, which control the controlled discharge of excrement through the anus. Healthy bowel motions depend on eating a well-balanced high-fiber diet. Fiber gives stool more volume, which facilitates passage, and staying hydrated helps the digestive tract function properly and avoid constipation. Toxins and trash can accumulate if they are not properly eliminated, which can cause discomfort and digestive problems. Maintaining the body's cleanliness and proper functioning depends on this last phase. You may maintain a healthy digestive system and general well-being by encouraging regular waste disposal through nutrition and water. This will guarantee that your body effectively gets rid of things it no longer needs. Let us know in the comments what you think about the digestive system, how your body processes food, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.